I'm going to turn things over to Adel now, and we'll kind of take our break at this point. We'll go through some things on the user group for about 5 minutes, but then we'll have Holger joining us. Go ahead, Adel.
Thank you, Dan. Yes, I will try to be very short so Holger has more time to talk about AW and Snowflake, which is a great session. So let me share my screen I want to show all the people here some content that I put some, for example, here is our Slack channel. I put some useful links because we realized that, I don't know why, probably, some has changed again and and it has some values by default that we didn't know. And so some people say that they cannot copy and paste the links that we are sharing. So I already put all of them here in our Slack channel. So if you join our Slack channel, okay, you can have all the information here. Okay, but let me show you some of the links that I was putting in our Slack channel. The one of them that we didn't put it in the slides is a new site, in fact, from Oracle, which is about the Oracle Analytics Community Hub. So here you have a summary of the top Oracle Analytics links. You have some product information, and you have some communities that you maybe can join to see about the content, about the events that they are doing. And this is for the community part. I already shared in our Slack channel. The one is quite interesting is the OAC library. Okay, so imagine that you have free trial. With a free trial, you can use 300 credits for free. And then you cannot have Fusion Analytics Warehouse, but you can create some autonomous data warehouse cloud and OAC. And if you want to play around with Oracle Analytics Cloud, you have here some samples that you can download. Also for machine learning, using analytics cloud machine learning, not autonomous data warehouse machine learning, but it's something that you can get into this, and it's very easily. You download it, you export it, you import it then to your instance, and that's it. And you will have a lot of examples that you can play with. Other link that is also in the Oracle Analytics library is the live demos link. That is, you can have access to imagine that you don't want to have your own instance, but you want to see something, you want to play around. So what you're going to have is an OAC instance. You cannot modify it, but you can see it, right? So you can go to a project and see what the data is, review the data sets, the machine learning part. You can do all of that, without having an instance by your own. You cannot modify it, but you can see the type of data visualizations and things that you can have here. You can also change the filters. You can interact without modifying the project, basically. Okay. Remember that I mentioned also some Udemy free training. So this is 2 trainings that we have from Oracle in Udemy. One is Modern Data Visualization with Oracle Analytics Cloud. It's totally free. And the other one is Augmented Data Visualization with Machine Learning. Okay, these are 2. If you put Oracle Data Visualization in Udemy webpage, you will have these 2 free training. Okay, then, so this is what I have it right now.